Some homes look expensive. Others feel expensive. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't realize the difference has almost nothing to do with money. You've probably seen it before. Two apartments, same size, same city. One feels calm, elevated, almost hotel-like. The other feels busy, restless, and oddly tiring, even though it's filled with beautiful things. So what's the real difference? It's not furniture, it's not trends, and it's definitely not square footage. There is one invisible design language that quietly separates ordinary spaces from truly luxurious ones. Designers use it instinctively. High-end homes are built around it. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. In this video, I'm revealing 5 design elements that instantly elevate any space, without buying more, renovating, or starting over. But here's why you need to stay until the end. The final element is the one almost everyone gets wrong. It's subtle, counterintuitive, and it's the reason many homes never quite feel right, no matter how much money is spent. Miss that one, and everything else stops working. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Calm and Cozy Homes. Let's decode the quiet luxury secret together. Quiet luxury always starts with material integrity. Luxury doesn't scream through logos or shine. It communicates through texture, weight, and honesty. Natural materials instantly signal quality to the human brain, often without us realizing why. Think solid wood instead of glossy laminates, linen instead of synthetic fabrics, stone, clay, ceramic, wool, materials that show subtle imperfections and age beautifully over time. When a space is filled with overly artificial finishes, your brain registers it as disposable. But when materials feel grounded and authentic, the space feels permanent, and permanence reads as luxury. Here's the key. You don't need to replace everything. One intentional material can shift the entire room. A wooden tray on the coffee table. A linen curtain. A ceramic lamp base. Quiet luxury is not about quantity. It's about credibility. Every material should feel like it belongs there, not like it was chosen to impress. This is where most homes lose their sense of luxury, without realizing it. Quiet luxury depends on visual silence. When every surface is filled, every shelf is styled, and every corner demands attention, the room becomes visually loud. Even beautiful objects start competing with each other. Designers practicing quiet luxury don't decorate more, they edit more. They leave space on shelves. They allow walls to breathe. They resist filling every empty area. And here's a mindset shift that changes everything. Empty space is not wasted space. Empty space is what allows luxury to be felt. Try this simple exercise. Remove about 30% of what's currently visible in your room. Just temporarily. Step back. Notice how the remaining pieces suddenly feel more intentional, more refined, more expensive. Quiet luxury isn't about having less, it's about allowing what remains to matter. Quiet luxury rarely relies on contrast, it relies on flow. Instead of sharp color changes and bold interruptions, elevated spaces use colors that live close together: warm whites, soft beiges, muted greiges, gentle taupes, washed greens. This doesn't mean your home has to be boring or monochromatic. It means the palette feels cohesive instead of confrontational. Your eye moves through the space smoothly. Nothing pulls too hard. Nothing feels out of place. An easy formula designers use is this: one dominant tone, one supporting tone, and one subtle accent, all within the same color family. When colors speak the same language, the space feels calm, confident, and intentional. And confidence is one of the strongest signals of luxury. Lighting can instantly elevate, or completely ruin, a space. Quiet luxury lighting is never harsh, never flat, and never purely functional. It's emotional. Instead of one overhead light flooding the room, designers layer light. Table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, soft and direct glow. The goal is not brightness, it's atmosphere. Warm light softens surfaces, it enhances texture. It makes materials feel richer and more tactile. Cold lighting does the opposite, it flattens, cheapens, and drains the space of warmth. If you want an instant upgrade, do this. Switch to warm bulbs. Add one light source at eye level. Avoid lighting everything evenly. Luxury lives in shadows. It's the contrast between light and softness that makes a room feel intentional. This is the element almost no one talks about, and the most powerful of all. Quiet luxury is defined by what you choose not to add. It's restraint. Restraint in color. Restraint in decor. Restraint in trends. Luxury doesn't chase attention, it doesn't need validation. It feels complete without explanation. Designers often stop decorating before a room feels finished, because they understand that the last thing added is usually what breaks the spell. If your space feels almost there but something feels off, the answer is rarely to add something new. More often, it's to remove one thing. When nothing is trying too hard, the space feels calm, and when a space feels calm, it feels expensive. Quiet luxury isn't about copying magazine homes or buying better furniture. It's about intention, restraint, and respect for the space you live in. When you design for calm, your home begins to give something back to you, mentally, emotionally, even physically. If this video helped you see your space differently, take a moment to like, subscribe, and stay with Calm and Cozy Homes. I'll see you in the next video.